Identifying a rough diamond at home can be exciting, especially if you found a stone that looks unusual or valuable. While professional verification by a gemologist is always the most reliable method, there are several simple tests and observations you can perform at home to get a good idea of whether your stone might be a real rough diamond. Introduction. Rough diamonds, unlike polished ones, don't have the sparkling brilliance most people expect. Instead, they often appear dull, greasy, or glassy. Because of this, many people mistake them for common minerals like quartz. Learning a few basic identification techniques can help you avoid confusion and get closer to the truth about your stone. 1. Check the shape and crystal structure. Natural rough diamonds usually form in specific crystal shapes. Most commonly, octahedral two pyramids joined base to base, cubic forms. Look for sharp edges, not rounded like river stones, natural geometric symmetry. If your stone looks too smooth or irregular, it may not be a diamond. 2. Surface texture. Rough diamonds often have a slightly greasy or waxy feel when touched, a dull shine rather than a glassy sparkle. Quartz and glass typically feel smoother and more polished. 3. Fog test, breath test. Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe on it like you would on a mirror. Real diamond, fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stone, fog lingers for a few seconds. This happens because diamonds disperse heat very quickly. Hashar 4, water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Real diamond sinks immediately due to high density. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. Note, some fake stones also sink, so this test alone isn't conclusive. 5. Heat resistance test. Use with caution. Diamonds are extremely heat resistant. Steps 1. Heat the stone carefully, e.g., with a lighter. 2. Quickly place it in cold water. Real diamond should remain intact. Fake stone may crack or shatter. Be very careful. This test can damage other materials and is risky. Diamond 6. Scratch test. Hardness test. Diamond is the hardest natural material. Try scratching. Glass surface, real diamond can scratch glass easily. Fake stone may not leave a mark. This test can damage surfaces and is not always recommended. 7. Transparency check. Place the stone over printed text. Real rough diamond. Usually not transparent enough to read through clearly. Fake stones may allow clearer visibility. Weight comparison. Diamonds are denser than many common stones. They feel heavier than quartz of the same size. Important tips. No single home test is 100% accurate. Many fake stones are designed to pass basic tests. The safest way to confirm is using professional tools like a diamond tester or consulting a certified gemologist. Conclusion. Identifying a rough diamond at home requires careful observation and a combination of simple tests. While these methods can help you rule out obvious fakes, they cannot guarantee authenticity. If your stone passes several of these tests, it may be worth getting it professionally evaluated. You could be holding something valuable.